Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Also, if you ever call the office and ask for me, or somebody from my office contacts you and says that they work for me, make sure to go to our website and check my agent roster to see if those are any agents that work for me. Okay, you need to ask this: do you actually work on Chakits' team? You definitely want to clarify that if you would like our services. The reason why I'm saying this is because every agent's an independent contractor, and sometimes there's a miscommunication. You may think that you're working with me or on my team, and you're really not. That's why it's very important. So this home that we are going to be touring today is located in the city of Henderson, the master plan community of Cadence. That's right. If you guys don't know anything about Cadence, Google it. Okay. Now I'm trying to be funny here. You got 24 by 12 on the tile. You got this beautiful banister. That nice open rail. You definitely need this right here. Let's come into the main living. It's gorgeous, right? That's right. We're going to start from the backyard this time. You got this beautiful 12-foot slide that opens both directions. It's an aluminum slide. It is a quality slide. Okay. I would highly recommend that you get it. Now, average lot size is about 5,000 square feet. So the name of this community is called Suncrest I by Century Homes. And this model right here is the Residence 1955 model. It is a two-story that features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, loft, 2-car garage. Base price, asking price on this one, $412,990. That's just the base price, folks. Remember, the backyard, you're not going to get nothing in the backyard. Also, one thing I want to let you know is that with the bricks, okay, when you do your inspections, if a brick is cracked, make sure to replace the brick, okay? A lot of times the superintendent will not say anything, and the reason why is because you just give him more work to do and he has to contact more trades. Just a quick tip. So in this one, you have the upgrade with the lights and also the ceiling fan. You got a 16-SEER air conditioning unit. Make sure your air conditioning unit is a 16-SEER when you're doing your inspection. Been having problems now lately where the builder is not telling the clients that they're switching over to a 14-SEER. Another problem that we're having as well, that I'm seeing, is that you may be under contract with a radiant barrier for energy efficient inside your attic. However, you're still only getting the Batten R30. If that's the case, you better make sure you get your upgrade at least R38, or if it's blown in insulation, you better make sure that thing's at least 10 inches. That's right. Because you don't want to buy a home based upon the efficiency of the home and you're not getting inspected. We've also been having problems with the appliances too as well. You think it's one model, the model that you purchased, but it's not the model. And what I noticed is that they don't say nothing. Next thing you know, you close in a home, you realize that, or you may not even know you got the model. So make sure to check, right, your options list of what model you purchased, and look at the model number. The model number is inside the appliances. We've already caught that a couple times, which is, I think it's kind of BS, but you know. Now, I don't know everything, but you know, I've been in the business some time now, and I'm gonna say 95% of my transactions for myself is new homes. However, we do foreclosures, bank-owned properties. We do them all. It doesn't matter. I just enjoy new homes because I enjoy the building process, right? Specking out the home. Now, sometimes I don't get to do that. Here's the garage right here, because the clients like to spec out their home. But I do give you advice on what you need and reason why. It's part of our service. All right, that's what we do. Now remember, I don't know if you guys know this, that there's no charge or fee that we charge you, right? As far as hire us as your real estate agent. Haven't talked about carpet for a while. As I sit down here, maybe collecting the coronavirus, which is I probably shouldn't be doing that. My wife would be yelling at me right now. This is a quality carpet, okay? How do you know if it's quality carpet? A couple things when it comes to a carpet, okay? You got to see how much thread per inch, how thick the pad is. Is it water resistant? Is it stain resistant, right? The life expectancy of a pad, is it synthetic? So these are kind of things that you need to ask. So when you go down to the design studio, right, look in the back of the pad, it's going to explain all that, okay? Now, also the padding, the cushion, it goes by pounds. So you want at least an 8-inch, which is thick, and it gives you that nice cushy feeling, right? Also, they do have the the pet resistance too as well. Now, if you want to be cheap because you don't have the carpets that you want, spend the money on the pad, then rip out the carpets later, then get the carpets that you want. Because you don't want to spend the money for a cheap pad, then now you got to upgrade on the pad. Now, if you did a 3, you can double up on an 8 for 11. That's going to be pretty cushiony. However, if you're going to do something very cushiony, right, you're going to make sure it vacuums up very easy. So it's a very tight carpet. That's going to be very important. Now, this is a very small room. This is like a 10 by 10. For me, I feel that this is more of a starter home. Now, I'm going to tell you this, though. I know that sounds bad, like, oh, this is a starter home. This is 1955 square feet. I only live in a 1666 square feet. Okay? Oh, they got some boxing stuff here. Some equipment. Oh, nice. Okay, so you got... Oh, this reminds me of Mr. Miyagi stuff right here. Oh, look how cute that English bulldog is. Laundry room. Washer and dryer, doesn't have the pan. Only negative thing about this. And also, I noticed that this builder doesn't have, for the main supply line, it does not have the, what do you call? The irrigation system shutoff valve. My favorite tub again. This one does not have any type of lighting whatsoever. And also, I'm going to tell you guys this. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, click that subscribe button, please. Well, decent size. This is at least, that's 10. It's about 15 feet wide. That's for sure on this one. How can I tell? Because I already know this king size bed is already 6 feet. Or it should be 6 feet. See the strip from here. Look at all this building going on still. Now with this builder, what they were doing is just building out like a bunch of spec homes. And they were selling out. Which means that you didn't even have the option to spec out your own home. Reason why they do that is because of supply. Right? You got to order the supply like ASAP. Like right away. HOAs are $40 a month. What's great about this community is there's no SIDS and lids whatsoever. $40 a month. That is such a great deal. Now let's go back down this way. We're going to finish up this video. Now, if you use the builder's lender, as of right now, the incentives is about $7,500, but obviously that could change. Also, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. And also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe. If you don't have a realtor, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. That's right. Okay. Don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. Other than that, give me a thumbs up, share a comment. Love each and every one of you guys. I wish you guys nothing but the best. And I want you guys to be blessed. I want you guys to win. Because if you win, we all win. Right? Alright, take care, guys.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.